So for phase one, what were the different sources and what was your approach for every section, as there was a sectional cutoff?
Reasoning, it's only the mock test that would help you. That's mainly because reasoning questions can be pretty tricky. And the problem is, once you get entangled in a complex puzzle, you would remain entangled throughout the examination.
Right.
That's the problem with reasoning, right? So you should be pretty careful about the kind of questions you choose, right? So selection plays an important role in reasoning, and that the ability to judge whether to go for a particular question or not comes only with great practice, right? So in the EduTap also we have the mocks available. I was an enrolled student, right? So I have given the mocks there. I would say you should go for mocks wherever they are available, any material, right? So the mocks will play a great role. In the case of GA, look, the GA portion is not to be prepared separately for phase 1 and phase 2. The GA would remain the same. Only the only difference is that in case of phase 1, the GA would be the focus would be on the data. I won't call it as trivial data, right? Because to me it seems trivial. I don't understand the logic as to why they ask questions like this, but they ask it, right? And you have no options but to go for it, right? So the data has to be prepared very meticulously, very diligently, right? And that's available in EduTap material. I mean, that's what my primary source of preparation.